Okay, my check. Okay, today I'm going to demonstrate day 16 lab, VLAN part 1. Um, how to configure the whole PC IP address and its subnet mask. And then I want to set the gateway address as the last usable address, and then so on and so forth. So I have configured all PC address and break it down, subnet mask, the first usable address, the last usable address, and what other gateway for those uh, PC to use. So you can see here, this is slash 16. Because it's slash 16, the subnet mask is .92. Um, the calculation that I did, it's just the way I figured it out. Um, and it seemed to work for me. So, um, and I also use this table to use as my guideline to reference if I want to go back in the future. Um, but yeah, let's dive into this. This is VLAN 10. Alright, so PC1 gateway, that would be this right here, 10.0.0.62. And then IP is just gonna copy and paste if I could do that. Okay, never mind. Okay, I think they want me to type it in. 10.0.0. 1. Because it's slash 92, we need to change this also. 192. And that should be all for the PC1. PC2. Configured. Okay. Same thing. 10.0.0.62. Because still in the same VLAN. Using the same default gateway. And IP address for this one is 10.0.0.2. 205.255.192. Okay, go into PC3. PC3 is 10.0.0.65 IP address. Actually, hold on, I need to go back here. The gateway is 126. My bad. I was looking over here. 126 subnet IP address 10.0.0.65 220.192. Same thing. 126 IP .0.66. Change this to .255 192. Okay. PC5. 190. PC6, same thing. Dot 192. I need to go back to double check this real quick. 29. Default gateway 190. Okay, just double check, make sure I put the right thing. Okay, we did all this. Make 3 connection between all one switch 1. Configure the interface on one VLAN, each VLAN. Okay. Click on this. Use this. Use the Ethernet 1. Do it again. Okay, now we have 3 connection. 1 for each VLAN. And configure the router. Enable ConnFT configuration. Put some music here. Okay. And then IP add. So we're gonna configure interface G01. G0/0 first. So like this one right here. IP address. And then put the default gateway of VLAN 10. And then put the subnet mask. And that should be all. And then do no shutdown to enable that. And gonna do the same thing for G0/1. Hit enter. IP address. The default gateway for this one is 126. So 10.0, 0.126, default gateway 255.255.255.192. Oh, shut down. Do the same thing for interface G0/2. Uh, 10.0.0.190. 255.255.255.192. Right? Enter. No shutdown. Okay. Then we can do the switch now. Interface, enable NFT, and then we're gonna tag it. We're gonna tag it all this range. So we're gonna tag it. We're gonna do this interface first. This belong to this interface. So we're gonna select range G0/1, comma, F3/1, comma, F4/1. Hit enter. And then we want to do switch port mode access. And then switch port access VLAN 10, right? VLAN 10. Now it's in. Gonna do the same thing for the other one. So range 1/1, targeting S5/1, F6/1, enter, and then switch mode access, and then 20. That's it. Gonna do the next one. G2/1, targeting S7/1, S8/1, and then switch mode access, LAN 30. And then we could do show VLAN brief. Okay, you can see here, all assigned to correct VLAN. The next thing is we just need to reassign or rename each VLAN here. Okay. Excuse me. How do I do this? Just Google that real quick. Um, Rename VLAN command. Okay. Exit to VLAN 10, and then name engineers. Okay. Exit. Um, do show VLAN brief. Okay, so I did it here. Let's do the same thing for VLAN 20, name 2, what is it? HR, exit, and then VLAN 30, name sales, do show VLAN brief. Okay, everything's set up correctly. And then the next thing I need to do, see if I could ping um, 10.0.0.129. It perform ARP request. Finally, get a reply. So just do it one more time. Okay, let's do .2. It works. Let's do 65. 65. Okay, I got a reply. Let's do dot 66. Nice. And I'm gonna do 130. Nice. And I also could do the default gateway. This is the router. Okay, cool. Yeah, just want to show you a quick demo. Um, have a good day.